Hello and welcome to my channel. I found these 4 chairs at a local little resale shop by my house, and I really wanted to get these for my dining area. So I went ahead and I used some Dawn dish detergent and some elbow grease, and I cleaned these up. Now, if you look closely at the bottom of the legs, there are dog chew bites marks on the bottom of them. So I patched some of them up and other ones I just left alone because I did plan on kind of giving these chairs the rustic look initially. But once I painted them and I saw them all the way one color, I actually really liked it. So I went ahead and I painted this. I used 3 coats on the seat, and then everywhere else I used 2 coats. So I'm going to let you watch me work. So this is after 2 coats on the seat, and I ended up doing 1 more coat just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots, and I let the chairs dry overnight. The chairs came out pretty nice to me, and I tried to get some good videos so you could see what they look like, but this is step 1 of many projects that we're doing as we turn our home into our dream home. So thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.